Welcome to Team AI Ville, the vibrant hub where the future of artificial intelligence comes to life. Picture a dynamic community where AI professionals, educators, and enthusiasts come together. A network that's grown to over 5,000 members and counting. This is Team AI Ville, and joining is completely free. At the heart of Team AI Ville lies our thriving communities. Here, you can ask questions, share insights, and explore a treasure trove of resources. From job opportunities and step-by-step guides to the latest AI updates and discussions, you'll find everything you need to stay ahead in the world of AI. But that's just the beginning. Upgrade to Team AIVille and unlock access to our exclusive custom-built AI tools. Meet the characters, your AI assistants, coaches, experts, friends, therapists, and tutors. These unique tools are designed to help you create, learn, and overcome challenges, whether for personal growth or professional success. For those hungry to learn, our platform offers an expansive library of courses. From marketing, writing, and freelancing to designing, consulting, publishing, and beyond, our courses cover nearly 250 lessons each, empowering you to master new skills and achieve your goals. Don't wait to be part of this innovation-driven community. Join Team AI Ville today and step into a world where AI and collaboration open doors to endless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. To join Team AI Ville, please check the description below.